We are in Milan, Mostra Convegno, where we are showcasing our R290 offer and ecosystem. The star is VLP, a brand new modular range designed for 2 and 4 pipe system with propane, featuring the latest Danfoss inverter scroll compressor with vapor injection. Vapor injection allows us to stabilize the heating capacity also in extreme conditions, making propane heat pumps a reliable alternative to fossil fuel gas boiler. The main challenge was to performing in extreme condition outside in heating mode, so again, vapor injection provided a huge benefit to improve these performances in these extreme conditions, making VLP a reliable alternative. So, thanks to the partnership between Danfoss and Galletti, we have the possibility to bring the technical expertise, the innovation, and the reliability needed to make natural alternatives the new standard for HVAC industry.